Hello, my wonderful students. I just wanted to give you a brief tutorial on how this program works. So our goal, as it says up here, is to get all of the stars. So if we click launch on the star storm, you can see, boom, success, we can move on. But of course, this is to help us to get know our line. So we have our equation, where we have a slope of 1/2 and a y-intercept of 1. And it tells us that we need to change one of these numbers in order to fix the marble slide. Because if I launch right now, obviously I fail. I don't collect any of the stars. So we need to see if changing the slope or changing the y-intercept will help us. So let's start by changing the slope. Well, that didn't help us. That just made it all worse. Maybe if I make a smaller fraction. Well, I mean, I can almost get that 1, but if I keep going like this, I'm never going to be able to get them all. So if I ever want to reset right back to the beginning, we can just hit this settings button, reset, and it takes us right back to the beginning. So we noticed that changing the slope didn't help us, so let's try changing the y-intercept. What happens if I make a bigger number? Oh, that just caused my graph to move up. I want my graph to move down. So we in fact need a smaller number. This looks like it's going to work. If I click launch, there we go, success. I got all of the marbles. You will see that there is more than one way that you can do this. I mean, I could be highly specific and maybe I want to make it negative 2.5 and I will still be able to get them. Both of these answers are correct. So are any of the other ones that will get you all of the marbles. So that is your goal for this class, is to try to collect as many stars as you can and try to complete as many levels as possible. Work with your group, bounce ideas off of each other. It helps. Trust me, especially when you get to some of the higher levels and you have to start creating your own lines. It helps to have more than one brain in it together. Make sure at 12:15 you go back to the main meet, because your teacher, whoever is supervising you, should have a Google form to send. That is all for me. I hope you guys have fun.